We're pulling up to Carolina Speedworks now. We're gonna check out this shop. Again, I haven't been over here before, but from what I've been told, they do a lot of Mustang work, so should be pretty exciting to see what they got. Hey, look, it's Hades. Looks like with no motor. How you doing? Derek, good to meet you. Hey, look at this. Damn, the 4-stars look good on that. A little bit of everything in here, boys. Shop is huge. This is gold. This is what I want. In Florida, like the backyard. Oh, this grabber blue turbo car though is so sick. Look at that side exit right there. God, I can't wait for Blucifer to be back.
We call this the GT Swap Cobra.
That's nasty. Jesus.
Got a solid rear axle.
Oh yeah.
Some Bogarts on there.
Jeez.
Gen 5 Whipple.
Yeah. Give a real style.
I think they're gonna do some pulls on it actually.
Oh shit. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Single turbo Coyote, and look at that freaking turbo on that. That looks so sick. Got a black Fox up there. Rest in peace, my 88. Another Fox. A couple Foxes right here. 4-eyed. Looks like Silverback. It's actually the same exact car. You know, just casual VMP lane there. No big deal. This color's sick on this. Definitely custom. Oh, this is sweet too. Yeah, it's sick. I like this a lot. Can't go wrong with a nice clean SN.
Well, I didn't even recognize that because I was like, this car's not turbo.
Oh yeah, check this out.
Small 76mm. Home baby boost. Baby boost. Baby boost.
And how many miles are in this car?
200,000.
Oh wow.
200,000 miles. Send it.
This is sick. This is definitely what I want Blucifer to look like, you know, years from now, obviously, but I got one project to do at a time. This is end goal, though. This new edge is clean as shit too. I think it's pro charged. See the intercooler down there. This thing is nice. Yeah, this thing's definitely clean. Another new edge here, 2-valve boosted. This thing's clean. Got the Rovo Durbins on there. Got Brembos up front. That's nice.
Yes, twin turbo.
Twin turbo car.
Twin turbo 2-valve. Okay. How long have you had it for?
This is my first car, so I've had it for about
nice.
6 years.
Oh wow.
Got it. It's an all-3 low mount.
That is so sick.
It sells behind the bumper, and it's pretty much a sleeper. If you have no idea what you're looking at, there's no way of telling it's a turbo
No,
car.
yeah, absolutely. Could be just like a Fender cold air intake.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Because when I had a factory intake on it, I had a I put like the factory airbox on it.
Oh, you could kind of hide it.
Yeah, there was no
That's
telling.
sick. What was it making? It's stock 2-valve motor, right? Or is it built?
It's built 2-valve. It's stock.
It's
for
stock?
the camera, but everything else, it's
Okay, yeah, it's stock. So check this out, guys. I was just looking at this Fox and they told me it was wide-bodied, and it's a Meyer Racing kit, wide-body kit. I've never seen it before. Well, that's pretty sick looking though. Get an aggressive stance out of it. That's pretty cool. So if anybody's watching this has a Fox body, get yourself one of those. It looks sick. Look at the red Recaros though. I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's the first time I've been seeing that too. I had to buy it when I saw it.
You want to sell them?
Huh?
You want to sell them? Looks like we got another Mustang in the neighborhood. Dude, this freaking neighborhood is filled with cars. There's a yellow Mach 1. It was so ironic because we were just talking about how I wanted another Mach 1. And there was an 04 Mach that looked so freaking clean. Like super clean. And then on that side of the neighborhood, there's a C5 Z06 that's blue, lowered. That thing is freaking gorgeous. Oh yeah, the Mach's right there. Mach's right there. Check it out. You know what? For the hell of it, their garage is actually open. That thing's sick. They're in there. Hey yo! Whose Mach 1 is that? You want to sell that thing?
Fuck no.
Come on, man.
That thing's fucking clean, ain't it?
Dude, it's very nice.
50th anniversary Mach 1?
Yeah. What's your name, bro?
Shane.
I'm Derek. Good to meet you, Shane.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, I do automotive YouTube and shit, just Mustangs. So.
Oh, word?
Yeah. I saw that. My mom lives right there. I'm in town, and I saw that today. I was like, no fucking way, because I'm actually looking for another one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I used to have I had a boosted 99, then I bought an 04 Cobra. I sold that, and I have a boosted S197, and now this. So.
And I got a 2015 Cali Special.
Oh, nice.
Full bolt on, Schrader tune, everything.
Oh, hell yeah.
Are you from around here?
I live in Richmond.
Okay.
Yeah, I live in Richmond, but.
Yeah, Snapchat? Yeah, no,
She's
it's
clean.
actually fresh out the paint shop about a month or two ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got the same, it's factory paint and everything. But,
Dude, yeah, that's the color I want. So I was like, there's no way that's in the neighborhood right now. And then I saw somebody down here has a super clean C5 Z06. It's blue.
Oh my God, yeah.
Dude, so have you seen it?
I've seen it, but I've never heard him drive by.
Oh, dude, it's so nice. I was like, dude, there's fucking cars everywhere. And then homie that lives over there just got the black 5.0. Yeah, I've been meeting everybody now out of nowhere. My mom lived here for like 7 years now, and it's funny, but there's so many people in this neighborhood that I'm just meeting out of nowhere that are legit car heads. I remember it was one of these houses. It's as funny as I talk about it. I think this house right here, when my mom first moved here, a dude had a Comp Orange Mach 1 in that house, and I remember talking to him. I don't remember if I put it on video, so if you're an OG watcher of the channel, if you remember seeing that Comp Orange when I was here visiting my mother, comment down below. But there's a ton of people in this neighborhood with freaking cars, man. It's crazy. Done talking in the dark. I'm gonna go get to our meeting location. We have Austin we're meeting up with alongside Colin, and as soon as we get there, I'm just gonna film everybody rolling in, and it should be a pretty good turnout, guys. So if you would, let's go ahead and set a like goal of 1,500 likes on this video. Smack the like button right now. I know you guys are more than capable of doing it, and I don't know if you guys have peeped, but we're well on our way to 200,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, click the bell notification icon. Oh, and by the way, go run up my second channel, Dose of DBP. Making our way downtown Charlotte now, and this parking deck is right next to the Panthers Stadium. So if you guys have never checked out downtown Charlotte, it's highly recommended. The city is just so gorgeous. Such a nice city, but we're about, hell, we're less than a mile away from our meeting area, so I'm gonna lock in and hopefully not crash or hit anything.
For ticket, please press up. Welcome. Please take it.
Look at that, VIP boys. Del Carmi's looking like this or what? Oh shit, look at this, boys. This is fire. Let's go. Looks like we're just gonna have it right here. So we got 2 cars here already. Alright, I just gotta wait for people to roll up now. Let's hope you guys come in clutch. What's up, G? Damn, brand new whip, got no keys. Okay.
2016 M4.
Damn, Mustang's gone, huh?
Yeah, it's gone, but I think we got a little bit of an upgrade.
Nah, I mean, this thing's fresh, bro. This thing's fresh. It's the first time I'm seeing it too. Bro, this is crazy. You got the stadium right there. You got all these nice Charlotte buildings. This is so sick. was goody. Got Colin. Look at this view.
Pulled up, I drove past it. I was like, oh, hell no.
What's up, man? When we first pulled up, there was this like Miata here. I mean, look at this thing. Hold on, let me get my flashlight. This thing's wild. Another 5.0 right here. Oh look, somebody is in there. It's Franklin. What's up, Franklin? Hey yo, I need the best mullet flip right now. Jake, you ain't got shit on this mullet, bro.
Nothing on it, nothing on it.
You ain't got nothing on that mullet. And that bitch is flaming red. What you know about that, Jake?
Doesn't get better than that.
So that's the first ginger mullet I've ever seen, and I fuck with it.
Why are you upside down?
Yours is upside down.
You're upside down.
Definitely holding this upside down.
It's because you're broke ass phone.
Nah, bitch, you're upside down. Let's see the mullet. Hold on, let's see it.
I actually did cut that shit today, for real.
I just got my cut 2 days ago.
Can you see it?
Oh, dude, I'm sorry, you're my boy, but I can't even look at you the same now.
Dog, I just took like 3 inches off my shit today. I couldn't function anymore. It was getting too long.
I think he has to see it again.
I mean, he has to.
Okay, it's nice. I'm getting it. He doesn't have the curls, though. Mine's naturally like a perm.
He said, okay, it's nice. How you doing, brother?
Good, yourself?
Doing well, doing well. Thanks for coming out. So he wants to check out the valved exhaust that I have in the car. It is matched up with LTH 1 7/8 long tube headers with high flow cats. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, but I'll let him hear it real fast. It sounds good though, man. I love it, man. It's honestly become like one of my most favorite like tones. Dude, this thing's looking good, man. Looks sick.
$750 double pumper. It's got a 10-pound bottle on it.
Oh my
but
god.
It's never been filled. I ain't the one.
You ain't the one. This thing's crazy though. It has to feel wild, the power to weight ratio, right?
It's a go-kart with a V8. I mean, it's probably 2,400 pounds.
That shirt, man. Yes,
sir.
You ready for round 2?
Oh yeah.
It's coming, man. It's in the works. We gotta do some planning, but it's coming. Ruby. Damn, that thing looks good. What's up, man? What's going on, man?
Nice to meet you, man.
Derek.
Nick.
Derek, good to meet y'all. This thing sounds sick. Man, she looks good. pop-up meet, huge success, man. Within 4 hours of posting it, you know, we got a lot of people coming out here, and unfortunately it did rain, you can tell, but it doesn't stop people from bringing their cars, which is sick. You guys saw everybody pulling in, kind of the lineup. I'll give you a little walk through real fast, just so you can see everything here. A little bit of everything, New Edge. Not much to film, but we're just hanging out and enjoying ourselves, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. But if you're watching this and you're here, I appreciate it. Definitely be back to Charlotte soon. Absolutely love it here. Sorry to more yeah, it's fun. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for coming, even though weather's shit, but it's all good because we're having fun.